have we got a show for you.
Veggie-Tales, 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 Veggie-Tales.
Guys, I don't understand this plant stuff in biology. Can you explain it to me, please?
Of course.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
What's first, Gabby? The first classification of plants is the bryophytes, which include mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. These are non-vascular plants, which means they don't have veins or true roots, and they live close to the ground in moist environments. To protect their leaves and stems from drying out, because they're not in water, they have cuticles, which is a waxy coating. But the cuticle blocks their gas exchange, so they use stomata. Their sperm swim to the egg, and their dispersal unit is a spore. Do you understand?
I do, but what comes next?
First, Taylor, let's look at these plants. These are ferns.
Wow. Look at that. How cool.
Next, Taylor, are the seedless vascular plants, like these ferns over here. Like the other plants, they use sperms to swim to the egg and a spore as a dispersal unit. However, they have a vascular system, which means they have veins that transport water and food. They have the xylem, which carries water and minerals up from the roots. They also have the phloem, which distributes sugar, amino acids, and other nutrients down from the leaves.
Oh. But what's next? What's next?
We need to find a gymnosperm. Let's go.
Okay. So while we're on this hunt for the gymnosperm, tell me about them, Gab.
Well, first of all, the major difference is that seeds evolved, which are like an embryo in a box with his lunch, which means that they had everything they needed to survive for a long time, which was great, because then the seeds could survive for years without actually being used.
Wow.
Yeah. And another big change was they had overland dispersal, which was because of the seeds, and it was really good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Stop.
Cool.
No.
Next?
And another big change was that water is not required for fertilization or dispersal, which was just another big step in evolving away from the water and onto land.
Wow. Great
Yeah.
teaching. What's next?
Come look at these. Oh, it's muddy. Taylor.
How cool.
Look.
Is that a pine tree?
Yeah.
Are those examples of gymnosperms?
Yeah.
Cool.
Wait, you can't see. You can see.
Next is the angiosperm. Wait, I'm tired from all this plant biology. Can we get some fruit salad? I'm hungry. Perfect.
Perfect.
What?
Fruits are angiosperms.
Oh, golly.
Wow, look at all these pretty flowers, but what do they have to do with science?
Flowers attract pollinators for angiosperms, and the fruit attracts organisms that distribute seeds.
Cool.
Can you look at this fruit?
Wow. Can
It's
you
a lemon.
explain? That's cool, Emily, but can you explain the anatomy of a flower to me, please?
Of course. Every flower has both male and female reproductive parts. The female part is called the carpel, and the carpel includes the ovary. The ovary includes the ovules. Ovules develop into seeds, and they mature into fruit, like this one.
Cool.
A seed contains an embryo, a new baby plant. And fruits are adaptations that disperse seeds. Some rely on wind, some rely on water, and they sometimes hitch ride on animals. Fleshy edible fruits attract animals. Yummy!
Fruit salad.
Yay! Do you get it now, Taylor?
I do. Thanks for being so great, guys. Who needs this book when I've got you two? The end.
Veggie-Tales.
Lima beans, collard greens, peachy keen,
Veggie-Tales.
cauliflower, sweet and sour, half an hour.
Veggie-Tales. There's never ever been a show like Veggie-Tales. There's never ever been a show like Veggie-Tales.